What to do when a woman you like talks to you. Hey, it's Anna once again, coming at you with some indispensable advice. Alright, gentlemen, picture this. The woman you've had your eye on finally strikes up a conversation, heart racing, palms sweaty, words missing. Don't fret. We've all been there, but it's how you respond that can make or break your chances. If you find yourself stumbling over words or unsure of how to keep the conversation flowing, this is the video for you. Today we are breaking down the ultimate playbook for those golden moments when she talks to you. So brace yourself to learn the do's and the don'ts, ensuring that next time you nail it. Ready to transform those nervous moments into confident connections? Let's jump in. Relaxed body language. First impressions count, and nothing screams I'm approachable and friendly more than relaxed body language. When she talks to you, it's essential to display a posture that's both relaxed and confident. Ensure your shoulders are relaxed and your stance is open, which instantly makes you appear more welcoming. Avoid any gestures that might come off as defensive, such as crossing your arms or constantly checking your phone. By doing this, you are signaling to her that you are comfortable in her presence and that you are genuinely interested in what she has to say. Hold eye contact. Eyes are the windows to the soul, as the saying goes. When she speaks, ensure you maintain friendly eye contact, but remember, there's a fine line between engaging and staring. Your gaze should be gentle, and it's okay to occasionally look away. This way you won't come off as too intense. By holding eye contact, you are showing her that you are fully present in the conversation, valuing every word she says. Listen actively. One of the most attractive traits to any person is feeling heard. When she's sharing something, nod your head occasionally to show understanding. Respond thoughtfully to her comments and make it a point to ask follow-up questions. This not only shows that you are actively listening, but also that you are genuinely interested in getting to know her better. Remember, it's not always about what you say, but how you listen that makes a lasting impression. Smile genuinely. Nothing warms up a conversation more than a genuine smile. When she talks to you, offer a sincere one that crinkles the corners of your eyes slightly and can instantly make her feel more comfortable and at ease in your presence. Mirror her pace. When engaging in conversations, especially with someone that you are interested in, pacing is everything. If she speaks slowly and thoughtfully, try to adapt to that rhythm. If she's energetic and talks quickly, try to match that enthusiasm. By mirroring her pace, you are subconsciously telling her that you two are in sync. This doesn't mean you should mimic her, but rather adjust in a way that makes the conversation flow smoothly, creating a more harmonious and connected exchange. Give genuine compliments. Now, everyone appreciates a heartfelt compliment, right? When she shares something, whether it's an experience, an opinion, or even just a fun fact, look for opportunities to give sincere praise. Maybe she has a unique perspective on things or a particular way of expressing herself that you find captivating, so point it out. But remember, authenticity is crucial. Compliments should come from a genuine place of admiration and not feel forced or excessive. This will make her feel seen and valued for who she truly is. Share personal stories. One of the best ways to connect with someone is by sharing personal stories. When she talks about her experiences, find moments where you can relate by bringing up similar events from your life. This creates a bridge between both of you, showing her that you are finding that common ground. However, it's essential to strike a balance. Your anecdotes should add value to the conversation, not actually overshadow her or make it all about you. It's about building a shared narrative and understanding. Avoid dominating the conversation. While it's great to be an active participant in the conversation, it's equally important to give her the stage. Make sure you're not the only one doing the talking though. Let her share, let her express, and dive deep into topics she's passionate about. This not only lets you learn more about her, but also signals that you respect and value her input. After all, the best conversations are those where both parties feel heard and engaged. Seek common interests. Finding shared hobbies or passions can be the key to unlocking a deeper connection. Perhaps you both love the same type of music, enjoy hiking on weekends, or have a shared obsession with a particular book or TV series. By seeking out and discussing these common interests, you not only demonstrate that you have shared values or tastes, but also open up avenues for future outings or date ideas. You love jazz too? Well, there's this great jazz club downtown. Have you been? Now, this approach keeps that conversation lively and shows her that you are keen on finding that common ground. Use open-ended questions. The art of conversations lies in how you question. Instead of asking things that lead to a simple affirmative or negative reply, pose questions that encourage her to share stories, feelings, or opinions. For instance, instead of asking, "Did you have a good weekend?" you might say, "What was the highlight of your weekend?" Now, this demonstrates genuine interest in getting to know her beyond surface level pleasantries and can lead to more meaningful discussions. Respect boundaries. Every individual has topics that they are sensitive about or would rather not delve into, especially during those initial conversations. If you sense her hesitating or becoming uncomfortable when discussing something, it's essential to be perceptive and shift gears. Redirecting to a safer or lighter topic not only saves the mood, but shows her that you are considerate and attentive to her feelings. After all, the goal is to create a comfortable environment where both of you can be yourselves. Stay present. In our digital age, distractions are, well, everywhere. But when you are with her, especially during those initial interactions, it's vital to stay fully present. Put that phone away, resist the urge to scan the room, and instead focus on the person in front of you. By giving her your undivided attention, you are sending a powerful message. You matter to me, and I value this time that we have together. Now, this gesture, simple yet profound, can make all the difference in leaving a lasting positive impression. Show gratitude. Acknowledging and appreciating the time and effort she puts into the conversation can make a profound impact. Even if it's a brief chat, expressing gratitude shows maturity and politeness. I have to say, talking with you has been the highlight of my day. Or, thanks for sharing that story with me. It gave me a new perspective. It not only makes her feel valued, but also paves the way for more conversations down the road. Light teasing. Injecting just a bit of playful banter can break the ice and introduce a fun, flirty element to your interactions. It's important, however, to ensure your teasing is light-hearted and not at her expense. Maybe she mentions an adorable childhood nickname and you can say, "You know what, I'm going to call you Bunny from now on because that's what you were called as a child." Just remember, it's crucial to strike the right balance and ensure she's comfortable with the jesting. Read her cues. Communication isn't just verbal, it's visual too. Observing her body language can provide invaluable insight into how she's feeling. Is she leaning in when you speak, or does she look disinterested? Are her arms crossed defensively, or is she playing with her hair in a nervous or flirty manner? By being attuned to these cues, you can gauge her comfort level and adapt to your conversation style. I noticed you seem a bit uneasy. Did I say something off? Maintain a good proximity. One of the subtle but essential aspects of a good conversation is the physical distance between you two. Standing too close can be intimidating and invasive, while being too distant can come off as disinterested. Aim for a comfortable zone, a distance where you both can hear and see each other clearly without invading personal space. I want to ensure we're both comfortable. Is this distance okay? Add humour. A shared laugh can work wonders in breaking the ice and creating a connection. Whether it's a light-hearted anecdote from your day or a witty observation about your surroundings, bringing humour into the conversation can elevate the mood and make the exchange more enjoyable. Did you hear about the scarecrow who won an award? He was outstanding in his field. Remember, the key is to keep it light and avoid humour that could be deemed offensive. Be yourself. And yeah, does sound pretty cliche, but authenticity goes a long way in building genuine connections. Instead of trying to fit a mold or be someone that you think she might like, let your genuine personality shine through. You know, I used to try and impress people with big stories, but I realized that being myself feels so much better. What you see is what you get with me. Plan for next time. If you feel a spark or even just a mutual interest in continuing the conversation at another time, don't hesitate to set the stage for future interactions. You could suggest a coffee catch-up or even just exchange contact details for a chat. I've genuinely enjoyed our talk. How about we continue this over coffee next week? Or, if you are up for it, I'd love to exchange numbers and chat again soon. Just had that conversation? Make the right next move. Decode the body language signs she likes you or learn the things that make a woman fiercely attracted to you. Your engagement is valued. Leave a like, voice your thoughts in the comments below and hit that subscribe button for more insights.